Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Andreja Premium by Quick Mill Espresso machine. So this machine was brought here because it had multiple issues. One of the issues was that the water tank sensor was not working. This man that you see right here was not getting detected and the machine was not detecting any water in the tank. So we replaced that, see the water tank. Once we had the machine, realizing that there's water in the tank and water going through the system, we realized that the water pump from 2011 it's no longer working and was better to just replace. From there we had to do a tune-up on the machine, replacing the shower screen. This is the old shower screen, as you can see it's completely cloth, not even a single hole can you see through. Just for comparison, this is a new one, you see the difference, and this is the older one. Barely see through it. So yeah, we replaced that, replaced the gasket, the backflush, the entire E61 group head. We also had to replace some of the gaskets once we were backflushing the machine. When we were backflushing the machine, it was leaking through here and a little bit through here, so we had to replace the gasket from the motion valve, this one you see right here, as well as some of the gaskets from the valve itself right here. We replaced one of those as well. So we replaced 1, 2, and 3. This little O-ring that you see here, this white little thing that you see right here. So we had to replace those in order for the group head to stop leaking. We descaled the machine, run a bunch of descale through here. Also, replaced the gasket from the one as well from here, as it was already cracking. And yeah, that's all what we did in this espresso machine. So we did a lot of work on it, and now we're gonna be testing it, starting with 1 shot of espresso. And I got very fine grind in the porta filter. You can barely see anything coming down from these spouts. Pressure is around 9 bars, which is perfect, but we're not seeing anything, it's not channeling through. So let me redo that shot again. Gonna be using a much less finer grind. As you can see, barely got wet the grounds. Go, shower screen, as you can see, is perfect. So let me just redo that shot again. Okay, perfect. So I put a much more coarser grind and I didn't tamper as hard this time. So we should see a much better flow coming out through the porta filter. As it starts to channel, you're gonna see an increase of flow coming out through the spouts. Still on the finer side, as you can see, it's coming out from only one little single spout in there instead of coming out from 2, so I should have tampered much level. I didn't tamper as correctly as I should, otherwise we will have 2 flows coming out from both spouts. We still got a good flow coming out through there, so you're gonna see a bit of crema. I'm going to stop it right here because this one is a single basket, it is not a double basket. Single baskets are much harder to dial in. Yeah, you can see that. You can see that little edge over here that is still too fine, so it needs to be a little bit coarser to get that perfect flow. But still, we were able to get a nice shot coming out of this machine. Really good crema. It's going to be on the slower side, but working great. Shower screen from the flow coming out from the group head is nice, steady, stream. Pressure from the holder, as you can see, nice and steady, excellent pressure, and hot water working amazing. So there you have it, Quick Mill Andreja Premium working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repaying me Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.